Welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be looking at ways to fix Wi-Fi connection problems on iPhone and iOS. We have plenty of different methods to try, so hopefully at least one of them will help. Let's get into them. The first few methods will be very basic, and you may have already tried them. The best place to start is to check that the problem is not with your Wi-Fi router. You can do this easily by checking to see if another device connects to it and works fine. If it does, we know that the issue is something to do with just the connection to your iPhone. If it doesn't work on any device, then you'll need to troubleshoot your router or contact your internet service provider. Moving on to methods on your iPhone, first we'll check some simple settings. Open the control center by swiping down from the top right. Make sure that airplane mode is not turned on, and then make sure that Wi-Fi is turned on and not disconnected until tomorrow, which is one option. The Wi-Fi icon should be blue if it is turned on. You could also try temporarily turning off data whilst we try and fix Wi-Fi, unless you're relying on that for this video. Next, open the main settings page and tap on Wi-Fi. Again, make sure Wi-Fi is turned on with the toggle switch at the top. Now check that you are connected to your network of choice. If you aren't connected to a network, tap on it from the list and enter the password. Make sure you are within range of your network. You could now disable Wi-Fi, wait a few seconds and then re-enable, and once reconnected to your network, test out your internet connection again. Now tap on your Wi-Fi network from the list, and it might be helpful to make a note of your Wi-Fi password now, as we might need to enter it a few times for other methods. If you already have it with you, then you don't need to do this, but you can tap on it, then use Face ID, and then tap on copy to speed up the process when reconnecting. Next, tap on where it says forget network at the top, and forget this network. Now make sure you are back on the main Wi-Fi page. When your network appears on the list, tap on it and enter the password to connect to it. Check your Wi-Fi again now to see if forgetting and reconnecting worked. If not, we'll move on to some more potential fixes. The next method is to restart your iPhone if you haven't done this already. You could try this at the end of the video, or do it now, but when you return we still have a few more methods to try. You can restart your iPhone by holding the power button and the volume up button for a few seconds. Then swipe to the right where it says slide to power off, and after a few more seconds, hold the power button again to turn on the device. Next, we'll try resetting the network settings on our device. This will reset any settings changes you've made to network functions on your device, but won't delete any account information or data. You will, however, have to set up any network related settings as if you've just got your phone. This will be things like each Wi-Fi network to connect to. To reset network settings, open the settings and then scroll down and select General from the list. Now tap on Transfer and Reset, which is near the bottom. Finally, and be careful when you do this to select the correct option, tap on Reset and then choose Reset Network Settings. You should now need to enter your passcode to confirm this. Once this is done, you can try and reconnect to your Wi-Fi network in the Wi-Fi settings. See if this worked. The next method is to check whether changing the DNS server will help. Open the settings and then tap on Wi-Fi. Now select your Wi-Fi network that you are connected to from the list. Within here, scroll down and tap on Configure DNS. Make sure this is set to automatic and then test out your connection. You can also try setting it to manual, then tap on Add Server and enter Google's DNS server of 8.8.8.8 to test that out as well. Next, we'll test if Wi-Fi Assist was causing any problems. In the settings, choose Mobile or Cellular Service or Data, and then scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page. Under the last app, there should be an option called Wi-Fi Assist. Test out your connection with this turned on and off to see if this affected it. If your connection still doesn't work, you could factory reset your device fully. Just make sure everything is backed up before doing so. The problem could be hardware related on your device, and I'd recommend taking it to a repair shop if you think this might be the cause. Unfortunately, those are all of the methods I have. As always, I'll keep the description updated with any new solutions I find, and if any of you find a fix in the future, then it would be great if you could return to the video and post it in the comments to help others. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your iPhone or iPad. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.